the key thing that was stated on both of our things with regards to a business, if you're a nobody knows who you are or anything with regards to that, you have to use social media. So I use YouTube to start growing my channel to bring awareness to my credit repair company. She used Instagram to build up her following to bring awareness to Frugally Keto. And that's the reality. That's where we're at in today's day and time, which is actually a great time, because if were nobody before yeah. and you were trying to grow, grow and bring awareness to your business and so forth, it was a lot different. You had to have a lot of money with regards to advertising and so forth just to even get your business out there, versus now with social media, which is free, and through word of mouth and so forth on there, you have to build a relationship to where the consumers will trust you by putting up a bunch of videos and putting up a lot of reels in her case. And then once that happens, then more and more people will follow you. And when more and more people are following you, your chances are there goes your audience. And so there's no longer having to pay for a commercial on TV when most people's eyes are on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube nowadays.
Right.
So that's where it's at. So those of you who are trying to grow a business or do something with regards to a business, I would suggest you start off with social media first to build some type of clientele or to build some type of following, so that way, once you start introducing your businesses and so forth, you'll have a platform where you have 100,000 to 1 million people, and it'll make your jobs a lot easier with regards to growing the business.
Right. And also for someone like me who is a shy extrovert, video is just what you have to do. Rather it's, like I said, on YouTube, that's obviously videos. TikTok, those are videos. Instagram, although they were like a photo platform, they're really transitioning over to videos, whether it's Reels or IGTV, because they have to compete with the other apps that just pretty much show videos. So you have to figure out a way to do it, rather you are someone who loves it or someone who's like me. And I have found that I don't have to necessarily be in front of the camera. Like literally I just have my hands and I'm cooking food. Thankfully I'm not like how I was back in the day when I was trying to do like my outfit of the days, and I would have to really, because then I would have to be in front of the camera every day.
Right.
But what I do is like, not so in your face. So, but you have to figure out a way to make video work for your business and your brand to reach your clientele.